Now is 5:30 in the morning, and I'm gonna go check Mekong and Namkon River because it's raining since yesterday and until today it's already 2 days. Almost 6 a.m. in the morning, I don't even see anyone on the street. It's because of raining. So you can see the market is still closed there anyway. But I will keep going to show you Namkon and Namkong rivers. Before I get to the Namkong river, I have to stop here to buy some food. Not for me, it's for boys, the one who taking care of the cruise where I'm working. So I think they don't have food now and they can't go out because they have to stay take care of the boat. So I will buy food for them. อันนี้ทงเท่าไหร่เอาอันหนึ่งเอาอันหนึ่ง The street food ready to eat now. They even have sticky rice over there. เท่าไหร่อัน Tourists block the road. You guys can see that Namkon River, look, it's almost flooding to the street, but I'll show you later. Oh my God, look at that. Show you. You see? Normally this Namkon River is very small and you can see from here, that's the house and there's the river. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh. Look, oh. Anyway, I have to go back. Quite scary. This is the rainy seasons in Laos. So some of you will remember this one. So this one is the steps going up to Pussy Mountain, right? And this one is the street. And just down here a little bit, you see the river is already here. But the rain, it's just 2 day raining and you can see the river, how high it is. And that is the food court area is already flooding. And you can see a lot of trees floating. Wow, this year is crazy raining. Namkon River, there's the house, almost flooding. This is the reason I don't really like to have a house near the river in Laos, because there are so many dams around the country and it's not really safe at all. Oh, look at this. So the project is still not finished yet. And look to the Namkon River. Here is the peninsula where two rivers meet. Right there is Namkong. What happened to this area? It sounds so angry. Look at that. So the projects might be stuck here for a while during rainy season, so it's not complete yet. Take a look. Siang Tong temple steps and go down here. It's almost there. Wow. Oh my goodness. Let me show you. Oh. So Nam Quang River look more friendlier compared to Nam Can River. I'm not sure what happened. So Nam Can one is look quite scary and angry. Anyway. Oh, it's already flooding. Shit. What can I do now? Let me go check at the restaurant. So the reason I come here, I will come to check this cruise, Koffa cruise. This boat is the one that I'm working with, and I don't mind to come to check every morning, especially rainy season like this. So this restaurant belong to Billy Reef Hotel, and they closed it now. I hope I can find a way to go down to the cruise. I think so, yes. The stair is over here. Oh my god, this is the cruise, and it's already, look what happened with the bridge. Pong! That's the boat, and you can see the bridge already flooding, and I can't get into the cruise. You look at these boats. They have so many boats, including that big house. I'm not sure how can they handle with the flooding in rainy season. You see that small bridge is flooded, so I can't just step here. It's quite deep, the boys said. So I checked with the boys already. They said everything is okay, so I'm happy to get back now. Here is the ferry. I'm not sure if people can cross to the. So people are waiting for the boat to cross to the other side. I think it's not easy. Look. Anyway guys, I'm going to the market. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will keep updating if anything new to show you guys during this rainy season. Have a good day. Bye bye.